What is up, you guys? Back at it again with another video, and today I'm not gonna be doing like a full-on install. I'm just gonna pretty much do an overview of what happened. So taking it back to a vlog, this belt had snapped, and it actually ended up hitting one of the power steering lines right there. You can kind of see, so right there, this belt hit that, and it's pretty much spewed power steering fluid everywhere. As you can see, obviously this is empty, but I've had this cooler sitting for quite some while in my garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the front bumper and then get started on that install, and I should be able to pop that one of like the that connector right there. Should be able to pop that off, and then just another clamp right here from the bottom side, and then I'll go to the store and get a new part, just because that part comes as an assembly and it's like $400, and I'm not gonna pay that for that line. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna go ahead and install the power steering cooler since the fluid's already drained and stuff. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update video a little bit down and further off the line. All right guys, so here's an update video. I've got the bumper off, obviously. Here's the power steering cooler that I'm gonna be replacing, and what ended up happening is that you guys could kind of see it's starting to leak again. That line has a gash in it, so when the power steering's on, all the fluid is spewing through. So that is like, it looked way worse. It was getting everywhere, and it was starting to smoke. But luckily I turned it off, and then just kind of like coasted to the side of the freeway. But yeah, I mean, I guess there's still some fluid in there, so I'm gonna let that like drain out as much as I can, and then just get another thing and pop it off here, and then yeah. But I did go get some pliers, so this will make my job way easier. All right, so this line is out, as you could see. Got a pretty good slap on it. It was kind of tricky to get out just because it was all stuck on there, but we got it. Goes there. So now let's go head to the parts store and get a new one. Alright, so I got everything squared away. These lines are in. The cooler is now in. That's the old one. And yeah, so I overfilled this just because I know it's gonna be low, and then that is the new line that I put in. I put a zip tie on it just so it stays out of the way from the belt. And then the fan, I don't think I'll have a clearance issue here, but yeah, as you could see, I put that hose clamp on there because the other ones, the OEM ones, don't fit anymore. So yeah, I'm about to start it up and see if it leaks anything or if anything else is broken. Once again, this is a new belt, so I don't know how that's gonna sound or anything. Sheesh. Back in business.